Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Kate from Yolo County Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute little yarn turtle. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in your kit you should have 2 of these little wooden frames. Those are going to be the turtle's bodies, and you should have 3 pieces of yarn in different colors. If you weren't able to get one of the pre-made kits, you can make your own turtle body with miniature popsicle sticks and hot glue. And you're also going to need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So I'm going to take my turtle body and I'm going to take the end of my yarn and I'm going to wrap it around the center and leave a nice long tail hanging off of it. Pull it tight. And we're just going to wrap around and around the center on one side, and then we'll go over and do the other side. All right, so now the center is nice and wrapped, and we're going to start with the legs. So take it over this leg, wrap it around so you come up the other side, and then do the same thing on the next piece. Wrap it around, and you're going to keep doing that. You go over, under, over, just wrapping as you go. You wrap each leg and go on to the next one. Now, if you want to change colors, just turn it over. You can tie your thread in a knot. You can snip it. You can leave the tails hanging for now. And now we're going to take our next color. Pick this up. And right where we left off, we're going to do the same thing. Leave a little tail. Wrap, 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 wrap it around each one, and you can see that your little turtle shell is starting to appear. When you think you've got as much shell as you want, turn it back over, snip the thread, and tie those in a knot. And tie it again. And then we can take our scissors and trim those ends nice and short. And there you go.